Ken, wake up. Ken! Ken!
What? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's going on?
You're snoring again. That's what's going on.
Hey, you woke me up to tell me that. Oh, thanks a lot, Deirdre. Now, put the light out. I was having a wonderful dream there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Penelope Keith had just come round for 11s.
Penelope Keith?
You know what to do if I'm snoring.
Scream?
Yeah, a gentle prod, a little poke, and I soon stop.
Oh, like you'd know.
I don't know how many times we've talked about this.
Oh, Ken, I prodded you, I nudged you, and you just kept right on snoring. Surprised they didn't hear you in Glasgow.
What's that?
It's an anti-snoring device.
You're going to wear that?
No, you are.
I'm sorry?
Look, my dad used to snore, and this is what my mum made him wear.
A bra?
Yeah, but it's not just a bra, is it?
Yeah, with 2 tennis balls in it.
Look, when do you snore?
Now let me guess. When I'm asleep?
Yeah, but when you're asleep?
Well, I don't know, do I? I'm asleep.
When you lie on your front? No. When you lie on your side? No.
Well, come on, the suspense is killing me. It's also sending me back to sleep, so you better get a move on.
When you lie on your back?
Fascinating. Now, if you don't mind.
No, you don't, Ken Barlow.
I'm not wearing a bra in bed.
Look, you wear it back to front. And then when you roll on your back, you get a nudge from the tennis balls and you roll over onto your side again. Oh, Ken, please. For me, I'm at my wit's end. Please.
Satisfied?
Thank you, Ken. Hey, you know Eileen got arrested today. I reckon there's no smoke without fire, though. It's outrageous when you think about it. Criminal, even. Don't you agree? Ken? Ken? Do you fancy Penelope Keith? Ken? Ken, I've just had a thought. Did you remember to put the bins out? You did. Night, Ken.
You have to go and pick a little creep like him.
I didn't pick him. I didn't go looking for an affair. I didn't want an affair.
Oh, I see. It was an irresistible impulse. Was it written in the stars? This thing was bigger than both of you.
I hate you when you talk like that.
What you hate is the truth about your sordid little bit on the